Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to express numbers in standard form. For this, we should know what is the standard form representation of a number looks like. A number m times 10 to the power n is written in the standard form where m is between 1 and 10. M is any number which is greater than or equal to 1 and should be less than or equal to 10. And n is any positive or negative integer. So let's clarify this with the help of few examples. So in our first example, we have a number which is very small. So we need to write this number in the form m times 10 to the power n to make it in the standard form. For this, we have to move this decimal point to a place where this number is between 1 and 10. So we have to bring this decimal number just next to 8. This is our first step, to move this decimal number to a place which makes this number between 1 and 10. So for writing this number in standard form, we have to move the decimal to, let's count the number of places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after 9 decimal places, we have to put the decimal point. So our number will become, so as we have to move this decimal place to 9 digits, so we have to multiply this number by 1 followed by 9 zeros times 1 followed by 9 zeros. And as we are multiplying this number by 1 followed by 9 zeros, we have to divide this number 2 by the same quantity to make the value of the number unchanged. Now the numerator will become 8.37 and the denominator will be 10 to the power 9. Now as 10 to the power 9 is in the denominator and we need to write the standard form in the standard form, which is m times 10 to the power n. So we have to bring this 10 to the power 9 on the numerator. So this will become 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9. So this is our final answer. We have written this number in the standard form. So this is our full method of converting the number into standard form. We can even use a shortcut method, which is, there is a shortcut method for which we have to remember that as the decimal is moved right, then the power of 10 decreases. We have to remember this for this conversion, and as decimal is moved left, the power of 10 increases. So for the shortcut method, you have to remember these two things, that as the decimal is moved right, so the power of 10 decreases. Here we see that the power of 10 is negative, which is decreasing. And on the other hand, as the decimal is moved left, the power of 10 increases. So you have to remember these 2 points for the shortcut method. So in our shortcut method, we will count the decimal places moving right or left. So here in our example, in the shortcut method, we will count the decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As we are moving 9 decimal places to the right, the power of 10 will be decreased. So this will become 10 to the power minus 9 and our number will be 8.37. So this is the shortcut method. This is the direct or the shortcut method for expressing the numbers in standard form. Let's move on to our next example. So in our second example, we have a number which is very small and we need to write this number in the standard form. So for writing this, we have to move this decimal to the right. So let's count the number of decimal places for moving the decimals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after 12 decimal places, we have to put the decimal point. For moving the decimal to the right of the decimal point, we have to multiply and divide this number by 1 followed by 12 zeros. As we are moving the decimal point to the right, so I can directly write, instead of writing so many zeros, we can write multiply and divide by 10 to the power 12. So when we multiply this number by 10 to the power 12, then this will become 8.5 over 10 to the power 12. This decimal point will shift to 12 decimal places here. We have to write this in the standard form, so we are going to bring this 10 to the power 12 to the numerator. So this will become 10 to the power minus 12. So this is our final answer. Let's take one more example. As we have to write this number in the standard form, we have to move to right to count the number of decimal places. So let's count the number of decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 8 decimal places, we have to put the decimal point to make this number in between 1 and 10. We have to multiply and divide this number by 10 to the power 8 to express in standard form. So when we multiply the numerator by 10 to the power 8, our decimal point will shift to 8.0 and the denominator will be 10 to the power 8. Now the standard form is m times 10 to the power n. So our m is 8.0 and 10 to the power 8 we will bring in the numerator. So this will become 10 to the power minus 8. So this is our final answer. So this is how you can express very small numbers in standard form. I hope this video is helpful to you and you will be able to express very small numbers in standard form. Please like and subscribe my videos and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.